Hyung from Cis News. The Korean government strengthened quarantine to prevent the spread of virus. Korea started vaccinating its citizens against COVID-19 since the beginning of the year, and the general public is also expected to be vaccinated from the second half of the year. So I hope we can get away from COVID-19 within this year. Here's the first news. May is the month with history that Gwangju citizens should not forget. May 18 is the day of democratization movement of the citizens of Gwangju who fought against the military dictatorship for Korean democracy. Recently, however, a similar pro-democracy movement has been taking place in Myanmar as Gwangju. Accordingly, Chonnam National University supported the democratization of Myanmar. For more information, reporter Yonggon will be with you. Yonggon has our top story.
In 1980, the students of Chonnam National University protested against martial law, and the people who took action in that democratic uprising joined forces with the democratization of Myanmar. You can see banners supporting the struggle of Myanmar in the back and front gates of Chonnam National University. On top of that, 9 organizations including Association of Professors at Chonnam National University, Labor Union, and Alumni Association organized the Chonnam National University Action Solidarity for ending military government of Myanmar and restoring democracy to support the democratization of Myanmar. CS News, Yonggon.
Here's the second news. May is known as Family Month in South Korea. Usually the tourist attractions will be crowded with family members and couples who go out on a garden holiday. However, it would be nice to enjoy our holiday at home due to social distancing. For more, Suyeon, give us the details.
May celebrates many harmonious days, beginning with Labor Day and then Parents' Day, Teachers' Day, Adults' Day, and Couples' Day. Most of the people make or buy a bunch of carnations and present them to their parents. And teachers receive sincere letters from their lovely students. 네, 5월은 혹시 가정의 달이잖아요. 근데 가정의 달을 맞아 혹시 가족여행을 계획하고 있지 않으신가요?
저도 가족들이랑 나가서 닭가슴살 만들고 놀고 싶은데 코로나 때문에 사회적 거리두기가 우선이다 보니까 집에서밖에 못 놀는 게 좀 아쉽습니다.
네, 감사합니다.
There are a lot of people who are planning a family trip to celebrate Family Day. However, due to the COVID-19, there are some restrictions on meeting people. But we must work a little bit harder and keep social distance to overcome COVID-19. Above all, I hope you have a wiser family month, keeping in mind that your family's health and safety are the top priority. This is CIS News, Suyeon.
The new library opened last month is a hot potato. According to the students who have visited the library, it is the library with a perfect quality facility. We can say it's showing a tremendous popularity. Let's see. Hey, reporter Yonggon, do you hear me?
Yeah, this is reporter Yonggon. Now I'm here at the digital library. Recently opened digital library is very popular among students. Let me show you why it is so popular. As you see, all the facilities are new and the place is very spacious. In the case of private study seats and PC study seats, school personnel and enrolled students can use them. You get 2 hours for a reserved seat and 30 minutes before it ends. You can extend only once. If you need to keep your stuff, you can use an electronic locker with a day reservation. Sadly, due to COVID-19 restrictions, the group study room is not available for now. If the COVID situation gets better, there will be a further notice. For a seat reservation, you can also use a mobile web with your library ID and password. Just in case, if you can't figure out how to reserve the seat, there is a still chance of using this library. There are a lot of seats behind me and is available for everyone without reservation. Unlike most libraries, it's convenient because there are a lot of seats that you can sit differently, and the outlets are everywhere so that people can use a laptop. And now, I'm in the lounge of the digital library. As you can hear, the music is silently playing. Just like I'm at the cafe for study. I felt that this building was designed with Burroughs method unlike other libraries. Why don't you visit the library and study for the final exam period? Cis News Yangon.
We looked through the information for May and your library. May is called a family month. There are many programs for a memorable day, so how about making memorable moments with loved ones? However, social distancing is keeping on effect due to COVID-19, so make sure you follow the quarantine guidelines. CIS10's new content is coming soon. We only chose important places in campus and organized with interesting plots. Tune in our YouTube video and please give us a lot of attention. Subscribe and like our news. We'll be back with new and useful information next time. This has been Anchor Hwayong of Cis Monthly News. Thank you and see you.